It's Kelly Foreman with MopTop Junk-Free Hair Care. Today I'm going to talk about using the leave-in conditioner. I use the leave-in conditioner for kind of priming for the next step in styling. There are some people with just wavy hair that may be their styler. So we're going to start with the leave-in, and it really doesn't take a whole lot. In fact, that's all I use. Emulsify between my hands, and then I just kind of start from the top. The main thing, I just want to make sure that I cover all the length of my hair so that my hair is ready to receive the styler that I use. For more videos like this and the next step, adding the styler, go to moptophair.com. See you next time.